Okay, so yeah, let's highlight this text and let's say we want to highlight this. Come here, select your rectangle tool. Make sure it's the particular one selected, not ellipse or yeah. Select your rectangular tool, then you come here, you mark or you highlight the particular one you want to highlight. Let's say we want to highlight this. Yep, so after you've drawn your shape to definitely the particular place you want to highlight, you come here. So this is your shape tool, and you can select the color you want. Let's say the obvious one is yellow. Come to yellow, you select your yellow, come to your yellow, you scroll down, you look for opacity. Let's close this first. Let's collapse this. You come down, you scroll down, you look for your opacity, and you look for you come to your blend mode, definitely in opacity. You look for multiply, then shows it like this. What you have to do next after you've selected multiply is to come here and you look for crop. Hope I'm not too fast. You go to crop, you select your crop and you drop it on your shape, not on your clip or the image you want to highlight. Yeah, so you drop it on your shape, you go back here and you look for the crop you dropped on your effect control. So yeah, see it here. What you have to do now is to mark it with your keyframe. Don't be scared of keyframe. Just to go to the right, the place that the wrote right. Definitely we're moving from left to right. That's why we'll have to choose right. So you select the keyframe of the right, then you move a bit further, you select it here. So go back to the first keyframe you've created and take it to 100. Yeah, you've taken it to 100. So what you have to do next is to just play it. Yup, and you see it, played it. So let's just say this shape you drew is too long. You can go back to that second keyframe you marked at your right, cropping. You come here, probably just shorten it small. Yeah, so let's play it again and see what we've cooked. Alright, if it is too slow, you can take it a bit closer to the first keyframe. Take the second keyframe you've marked a bit closer to the first one, and to give you this fast. If you want it too slow, push it further again. So that's how it works. Yep.